And in addition, home isolation is something which is very important. Through your medium today, I would like to tell all the societies and building and all these people in every society and these committees of society, you cannot stigmatize as patients who are opting for home isolation, otherwise government will come down heavily and take action under whatever is available under the law. We are finding that people are not allowing people to access people who are in home isolation in different societies. Either some supply of food and other things are being stopped at the gate, as a result of which creating problem for patients who are asymptomatic and under the monitoring of IMA and under the monitoring of the health services. These people should not be stigmatized. It can happen to anybody. It does not, COVID does not require caste, doesn't require status in society. It comes to anybody. Anybody can become COVID positive. As we speak, as you know, some members of the media also have become COVID positive. As a result of which, we as a community, you, the media, myself, whether it is Secretary Health, all of us and the people of the state of Goa should understand is that stigma, there should not be any kind of stigmatization to patients who are suffering from COVID. They recover quickly, but yes, it comes, and as a result of which we have to see that they are able to be monitored and they are able to take the treatment. People opting for home isolation, their decision for home isolation should be respected. And also we need more people who are asymptomatic to be under home isolation, so that it doesn't burden the infrastructure, and we need to see up to how much we can deal with this situation. It's my appeal to all the colonies and societies, please do not stigmatize, because if we receive any complaint, this will be very seriously dealt with, because they are finding a lot of societies trying to adopt and make their own rules, but the law will take its course if any society comes in the way of a patient who is taking treatment for COVID and who's asymptomatic. Nobody can decide, no society, no colony, nobody can decide. It is the government that has taken the decision. It is the Chief Minister of State of Goa and this cabinet and the government of Goa as a whole has taken a decision to increase and to popularize home isolation, and to ensure that people who are asymptomatic can take the can take treatment and be monitored by the health services and the IMA as far as home isolation concerned. आमकां जायत्यो complaint येवंक लागल्या लोकां कडल्यान. Even in my own places and surrounding societies, we find that people are making it a big issue in terms of providing even basic amenities are not reaching some people who are opting for home isolation. As a result of which, through the media, I am appealing to these societies and colonies that don't stigmatize patients having COVID, support them in whatever way you can. We are here as a government to ensure that people are taken care of, and we want to provide the best of care. Yes, several machines and all these all this equipment is being provided. It has been approved by the government, headed by the Chief Minister. We want to see that every aspect is taken care of. Secretary has been working day and night, and I want you all to understand that nobody is taking anything lightly, whether it is secretary, whether it is myself, whether it is the dean, whether it is the director, whether it is Dr. Uday Kakodkar, whether it is Dr. Geeta Kakodkar, or whether it is additional secretaries, day and night, and all of us as a team, we are working to see plus minus here and there. We are also trying to understand the situation